Motivated, dedicated, motivated, dedicated, motivated, dedicated. Hey folks, today I'm just to thanks Wesley Virgin. He teach a lot of people about how to recondition our mind, and now I meditate. You know what I mean? Is life is good.
To tell you about my guy Wesley multi-billion-dollar virgin. Listen, if you haven't had a chance to check out any of his videos yet, you must get the secrets right now. Attend this set that will absolutely blow your mind, but also blow your bank balance through the roof. I promise you right now. My favorite was when he talks about the training balance scale. It's so important to you getting to the next level of not only your belief system, but whatever area of your life that you want to succeed. So I don't care whether it's your fitness, whether it's your health, your relationships, but also that moolah, baby. Wesley will help you get there. He talks about everything from meditating to making sure that you're focusing on the right things, getting your vision and clarifying that, but ultimately making it to where you don't have to worry about the how anymore. Everybody's focused on how am I going to make money? Well, guess what? Listen to Wesley. He'll lead you the way. Do this right now. Get on there right now. Motivated, dedicated.
Is that what you're trying to do, man? Try to reprogram mine, man. Hey, well done, Wesley, on everything you're doing over there, man. Keep inspiring people, okay? Giving them hope, get them a way out. Be great.